Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Ulta Credit Card account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Ulta Credit Card Login. Once you hit search button, you'll see Ulta Beauty Reward Credit Card. Just click here. Now, you are already redirected to the official page of Ulta. You just have to look on the top of your screen where you'll find join/sign in. Just click here. After that, you will see login portal on the right corner of your screen. You just have to enter your email address and your password. In case you forget your password, you can click here and reset it. If not, then just sign in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.